Good morning children, welcome to class 5 social studies class. Today continuing with our topic of latitudes and longitudes. So yesterday's class we saw about what is latitude. It's an imaginary horizontal line drawn over the earth. Okay, now today's topic is longitudes. So longitudes are also imaginary lines. Okay, they are semicircular. Okay children, I want to show you with globe. Meridians are the longitudes. So these are the semicircular lines. Okay, like this from North Pole to South Pole. These are your semicircular imaginary lines that are drawn from the North Pole to the South Pole. Okay children, once again I repeat, these are semicircular lines drawn over the globe. Okay children, so semicircle you would have known. See, this is your semicircle. So imagine this to be a earth. So these are the lines drawn from North Pole to South Pole. Okay, so what they did, they started numbering of these meridians. So we are drawing this imaginary line, no? They started numbering of this meridian. So then next one in 1884, what they did, they started, so we need one place now to start to draw this imaginary line. So what they did in UK, in nearby London, Greenwich is the place. Okay children, in your globe you can see over here, Greenwich is the place. That one they have taken it as prime meridian or 0-degree meridian that starts from here. So, okay, Greenwich is the place near London. There they started this prime meridian or the 0-degree meridian. So children, observe here, this side is west and this side is east. So what they started is, they have drawn an imaginary line passing through Greenwich and they started numbering the each longitude or each meridians. That's why the name is being given as meridians or longitudes. Okay. So the place is Greenwich, there only it passes the 0-degree meridian or prime meridian. So what happens now? This 0-degree meridian divides the earth into two parts. One is eastern hemisphere. When it passes through the 0, so this part becomes eastern hemisphere and this part becomes the western hemisphere. So to mark it, we are using a short letter. So the meridian's east is marked as capital E and the west is marked as capital W. Once again I repeat children. So east, meridian east is marked as capital E and the west is marked as W. So children, you have meridian. See, when they start dividing this semicircle and go, no. So there are this side you have 180 degree and this side you have 180 degree. So 180 degree east and 180 degree west. So you know the children. So when you mark it here, this forms 180 degree. In the same way, the other side here also it forms. This side forms 180 degree. So one side is east and another side is west, children. Okay. So the meridian 180 degree east and 180 degree west are the same. So again children, I am telling you, this side if you go up to half of the globe, you have 180 degree east and from the Greenwich 0 meridian to the west side you have 180 degree up to other side of the half of the globe. So the line where this 180 degree east and 180 degree west meet or one and the same. Okay, so you will have this international date line. Okay children, I think I can show it in the globe. I can show it in the globe. You can observe here this international date line over here. So both the 180 degree east and the 180 degree west meet. They are in the same place. Okay, so that line is called as international date line. It passes through the Pacific Ocean, children. Okay, so we will continue. What is the longitude? What are its features? Continuing with it, children, we will see the characteristic features of this longitudes. Okay, as I told you, 180 degree east and 180 degree west. So there are totally 360 degree meridians are there. 180 degree east and 180 degree west. In this 180 degree longitude is a common line. That is your international date line, which is the common line. Then all longitudes are of same length. See children, observe this diagram. See, when you draw this line, it's like a semicircle. So all over the globe you will get the distance as the same. That is the point mentioned here. All longitudes are of the same length. Then children, observe here, we have drawn this longitudes like this. See, the earth is bulge at the center and little gets closer, okay, towards the poles. So what happens in the longitude, near this equator you will have the maximum distance, children. Okay, near the equator, if you observe the closely the lines, the distance between the two meridians will be maximum at the equator. This is your equator line. Okay, the distance between two meridians will be maximum at the equator. Okay children, because of the earth's shape. Okay, then here same thing, the line cut the equator at right angles. So right angles means, you know, see children, this is your equator means, so the longitude you will draw like this. So here it will form your 90 degree. So that only they are telling, they cut the equator at right angles. Right angles are 90 degree. And the distance between any two meridians, see, observe children, near the equator the distance is more. But when it goes closer near the poles, the distance between the two meridians decreases. Okay children? Once again I repeat, see, the distance is maximum at the equator. But when it moves closer towards the poles, the distance between the two meridians decreases. That is the point given over here. Distance between any two meridians decreases towards the poles. And as we saw here, meridians are the semicircles. So you can observe here, this one is forms a semicircle. So semicircle children, here this forms a semicircle. So here to mark it, they have taken it as east or west. Okay, the capital letter E, and for the west, the capital letter W is taken. So 30 degree east, 40 degree west, like that they have taken. And as I told you, the 0 degree meridian, okay, or the prime meridian, it passes through the Greenwich here near London. London is in UK. So that is the line 0 degree meridian that passes through Royal Observatory, the place where the 0 degree meridian location is there, no? That is your Royal Observatory. Okay, it is a lab, children, science lab. So here the longitudes are measured as east or west, children. Okay, children, take out your textbook and read all the points. Okay, note it down and then learn what is the meaning for the hard words. Okay children, underline the hard words and learn it. Read the textbook, children. See you in the next class, children. Okay, thank you.